Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December 24th, 2018, and I just got an order today from Rare Seeds that I placed. So I wanted to show you this here. I have some new stuff that I'm going to be trying out next year, that I plan on trying out next year. This is an eggplant. This is Mayoto. I've never tried this one before, but they said it's very tender and sweet. So I plan on trying this one. They say you can even eat this one raw. So they give you really nice planting instructions. Now I did do a video earlier this year on how I start my eggplants from seed. So I will put a link down below in the description for how I start my eggplants from seed, because I know like some people down south or different places wherever you live, you can start your seeds before I can. I live in Pennsylvania in zone 5, and we're getting some snow right now, and I think it's about 30 degrees out, so it's going to be a while before I get to plant these and see what they taste like. But these are an heirloom. And then I'm also going to be trying Rosa Bianca, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is another eggplant, and I love the coloring on this one. I've never grown it before, so this is going to be a new one for me next year. And you can see on the back here, and they give different detailed information for how far to space your plants. For your eggplants, you want a minimum full sun of 8 to 12 hours. And eggplants are not frost hardy. Eggplants like the heat. So this one here is supposed to have no bitterness to it. It's a rich, mild flesh. Really looking forward to trying this one here next year. And then I have my tender green burpless cucumbers. I grew these this year. They did very well for us. So this is the only variety I plan on growing next year, is the tender green burpless cucumbers. They did very well for us. We got, I think, 2 4-gallon buckets of pickles, and these did very well up against the blights and all of the rain that we had. And so I decided to go with these again. And this is a 55-day variety, which means 55 days after it comes up or after you transplant it out, it should start having flowers on to give fruit. So this one here tolerates cool soil and excessive moisture. So I actually did a video on these too. I will leave a link down below for how I started my cucumber seeds. Now I do start my cucumber seeds indoors due to the fact that when I try them outside, something continuously eats them no matter what I do. I can have fences over them, and there's some type of bug that eats the seedlings before they even start growing. So, and then I also got a free gift. Rare Seeds gives you a free gift with your orders. Now this is a lipstick pepper, and I've never heard of this one before, so I looked it up in the book. It's this one down here. It's 70 days, and it's a delicious pepper. It's about 4 inches long, and it's tapered. And it's supposed to be super sweet, and it's a fine pepper. It ripens early, and it's supposed to do really well for the north. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one here, and they gave it to me as a free gift. So, and this will be completely new for me as well. So this is what I plan on growing next year, and I'm still looking through the book. I just got the brand new seed catalog, so I'm still looking through the book to see if there's anything else in here. I'm thinking about trying, I believe it's called a swada eggplant. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but I'm thinking about trying that one, and I'm thinking about maybe trying to grow some bok choy. That's come highly recommended to me by my best friend. And then another person that I talked to, they really like that. You can use it in your salads, and certain varieties you can actually cook with. So I have some decisions to make on that, and I still have plenty of time because we're in December. And my eggplants for this year, I grew the pink tongue eggplant from Baker Creek Heirloom. That did excellent for me. That was one of my favorites that I tried. That was a new variety for me this year. I loved the tender flesh on it. I loved the flavoring of it. I liked that it didn't get bitter. We used it on the grill. We also fried it up, and I used it in different cooking dishes, and it just did very well for me. The diamond, that's another one that I liked. I got that one from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds as well. I like the flavor of that one. We did have to peel some of those, but we still used it on the grill, and we used it in different, we fried it, and we also cooked with it. And the pink tongue, it had a very sweet flavor to it. My dad really liked the pink tongue and the diamond, and my dad is not a fan of eggplant, so it was nice to find some varieties that he actually liked, so he could eat them as well. I also grew an early long purple variety. That one did okay. It had a little bit of a different flavor to it. Sometimes it would get a little bitter, but we still used it in on the grill and fried. And then shooting stars, I've been growing that one for a few years now. That one's actually a hybrid. Was not impressed with that one again this year. Very low yielding, bitter fruits, so I will not be growing that variety next year. And Black Beauty, that's one, it can get bitter on you, but it's a very low yielding plant unless you have maybe like a really, really long summer, which I don't have that. So I don't think I'm going to be growing that one next year. If I do, I might grow one plant and prune it to try and get more fruit out of it. And I plan on growing the pink tongue and the diamond eggplant for sure next year, along with these new varieties here. I was just very impressed and very pleased with those varieties, and the fact that they're an heirloom makes them even better. And actually right now I'm growing a pink tongue eggplant in the basement. I'm doing an indoor experiment with growing vegetables indoors, and the pink tongue eggplant is one of the ones that I chose for this experiment. So I'll put a link down in the description below for that video if you just want to go check that out. And you can see how I'm growing them, what my results so far have been, and you can follow along. I did a whole playlist on it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells me I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.